Okay, my friend, so tell me this. I want to talk to you about your grants. I know you want to do it, but you want to do grant writing. You've been talking about it for a long time. So what's really the holdup, okay? Can we just have that conversation for a little bit? What's really keeping you from doing this thing that you've been wanting to do for a long time? And that's become a grant writer. Can you tell me that? Is it that you have just not really had the desire? Is it that it's more of a wish than a desire? What's the hold up? Okay, now you can write right below and let me know, because I want to know, and I'm going to read it myself and I'm going to respond to it. So what's the hold up? Now let me tell you what I found that's held a lot of people up. A lot of people who really wanted to do this, the reason they haven't become grant writers to this point is a lot of them have allowed fear. They've actually allowed fear. Well, what if I can't do it? What if I'm not good enough? Well, you got to get started first to even find out if you can do it. And you got to take some type of action. And you can't simply stay stagnant, hoping and wishing. Because if you do that, then you'll never become a grant writer. And some of you, this is what you're supposed to be doing. I mean, like, this is a part of the help that you're supposed to be bringing into our society, and you're not doing it. So my encouragement today is to say, hey, stop procrastinating. Get unstuck. Let me know how I can help you, okay? But do something. Don't just sit there and hope and wish. Put some legs behind it. Take a class. Go take a class at college. I have classes. There are people that can help you. Just do it, because the world is waiting for that which you're supposed to be contributing. And it's not going to just pop out unless you make it pop out. So take some action and let's do some things. Let me know right below what I can do to help, or let me know what's hindering you. Let's have this conversation. If you haven't, go get that free special report that I have, 28-page free special report at howtowritegrants.com. And let's get started. Let's get started today, okay? Go do it. Subscribe, like this if you found this helpful, and I'll see you soon.